Hello friends, on this video what is long exposure camera or how to use this long exposure camera on your Realme phone. So friends, here you can watch in details. Here I'm going to show you even the versus also the normal camera and the long exposure camera. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, friends, here you just move on camera. When you tap on camera, here's your long exposure camera. But first of all, let's capture on normal camera. Okay, the photo should capture on normal camera. Okay, here I'm just capturing the photo on normal camera. Then after that, here let's move on this more camera. And here when you tap on more camera, here's the long exposure. Just tap on long exposure, and here keep this long exposure camera also the same thing as the camera. Okay, this will capture all the distance. Then you just tap on the photo. Here don't move, you just keep it like that, and here your photo has been captured. Then now here normal camera and the exposure camera, let's check what is the difference. Okay, here is the normal camera. The banana lips will look like drawing or painting, you can say. And here's the long exposure camera, and this looks so clear. It's look like not the drawing or painting, but on the upward it's look like same only. But just look at this banana leaves. Okay, it's very clean. Okay, and here you can watch this banana leaves, it's not clear. Okay, so this long exposure will capture photos so smoothly that you can if you zoom also, it will not break the photo. Okay, it will not. You can watch here, I mean you can check from here as I am showing you. Okay friends, so friends, this is about this long exposure camera, and it's very nice. I just love it, love than this normal photo. Okay, better than this normal photo camera, you can say. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.